Hi, this is Parambur Kumar of 2creatiablog.com. YouTube SEO Part 2. YouTube Privacy Settings. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you about YouTube privacy settings. Log in your YouTube account. Enter your username and password. Click Next button. In the right hand corner of your computer screen, see the YouTube upload icon. Click that icon. Now select the video file from your computer. Before that YouTube upload icon, see public drop down menu. Now I explain you each and every one step by step. What is mean by public video? Public videos can be seen by and shared with anyone using YouTube. They are posted on your channel. When you upload them and show up in search results and related video list. What is mean by private video? A private video can only be seen by you and the users you select. Your private videos won't appear to others who visit the videos tab of your channel page and should not show up in YouTube's search results. You can share private videos with others users over email if you want them to see it. Comments are not available on private videos. If you want to allow comments on videos that not publicly available, post an unlisted video instead. What is unlisted video on YouTube? Unlisted videos can be seen and shared by anyone with the link. Your unlisted videos won't appear to others who visit the videos tab of your channel page and should not show up in YouTube search results unless someone adds your unlisted video to his playlist. You can share an unlisted videos URL with other users. Unlike private videos, the people you share the video with don't need a Google account to see the video. Anyone with the link can also reshare it. For example, they can forward the link or add the video to a public list. If you don't want to allow others to reshare your video, make the settings private instead. What is mean by scheduled video on YouTube? You can use scheduled publishing to schedule a private video to go public at a specific time. You have to first set the video as scheduled or private on the upload page. Then you can set the date, time and time zone that you want your video to be published. The video will stay private until the scheduled time. Before that, public drop down menu, see help and suggestions. Want to upload videos longer than 15 minutes? Click the increase your limit link. Now I click the increase your limit link. Select your country. Below that you have to verify your mobile number to confirm you are the real owner of this YouTube channel. Once you've done that, your channel will get verified symbol and also able to upload more than 15 minutes video. Now click the back button. Select the video from your file from your computer. Now your video is uploading on YouTube. Enter the video title, meta description, then add tags. In the right hand side of your screen, you can choose the private settings, whether a public, unlisted, private or scheduled. In the advanced setting tab, we can select categories, video language, recording date, allow comments, YouTube license or Creative Commons license, etc. After doing everything perfectly, click the publish button to publish your first video on YouTube. Thank you friends. We will see you in another video, another YouTube SEO video tutorial. This is Parambur Kumar signing off. Bye.